There is one small thing missing from the law of attraction, which plays a huge role into your dreams getting manifested and being true. आज हम बात करेंगे उसी छोटी सी चीज के बारे में, दैट इज लॉ ऑफ वाइब्रेशन. सो लेट्स गो. Hello or namaste, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Nandini D, back again with another amazing video for you guys. So let's go and dig on to the subject of law of vibration. Let's go. Now, अगर मैं शुरुआत करूँ इस वर्ड वाइब्रेशन से या लॉ ऑफ वाइब्रेशन से, लॉ ऑफ वाइब्रेशन बस इतना बोलता है दैट द यूनिवर्स रिस्पॉन्ड्स टू आवर वाइब्रेशंस. It responds to our vibration. इसका मतलब है the energies that we put out in the universe will come back to us. जैसा दोगे, जैसा करोगे, वैसा भरोगे. ये तो बहुत ही फेमस मुहावरा है. Similarly, the energies and vibrations that you put out will be attracted to you as well. Now, everything that is there in our environment is made up of small particles called atoms, and these atoms themselves vibrate too. Everything around us vibrates. So similarly, our dreams also vibrate. But यहाँ पर काम की बात ये आती है that in order for our dreams to get manifested, we will have to match the frequency of our dreams. And how will we do that? We will have to take care of the fact as to what we speak, how we speak, where we are speaking stuff, what kind of environment we are into, what kind of habits we are putting in, and things such as thoughts, emotions, beliefs, actions, etc. Now, action से मैं बोलना चाहती हूँ that the hard work that you put in to your work, you know, whatever you are manifesting, whatever you want to achieve in life, you will have to make sure that you are matching the frequency of your dreams. You will have to act according to, in a behavior where you achieve those dreams. जब हम manifestation की भी बात करते हैं, manifestation is all about giving your head this clear program that ये चीज मेरे साथ हो चुकी है. I have already achieved something that I want to achieve. And यहाँ पर vibrations play a big role. Now, you must be thinking like, you are so young, how did you come to know about it? Well, but there is this wonderful author who, wrote a book about this in his book called Good Vibes, Good Life. So in this book, he beautifully lays out how the law of vibration works, and he himself has written this fact that yes, everything around you works on these vibrations only, because he gave these suggestions and advices to very close friends and just people around him, and it worked for them. And because it has worked for them, I think it will work for you all as well. And I thought that it is good that I share this with you. काम किया तो बहुत ही अच्छा हो जाए. Optimistic रहने में कुछ बुराई नहीं है. We always think of manifesting our dreams, right? So this is actually a part of your manifestations and law of attraction. So it has to work, and even if it does not, there are no repercussions to this going wrong and doing something bad to you guys. So that is all that. When we change the way we speak, the thoughts that are coming to us, the actions that we are putting, the hard work that we are putting in order to achieve that dream of ours, everything will fall into place just because we match the frequency, like I already said. Now, बहुत बेबी स्टेप्स लेने होते हैं इस चीज़ को अचीव करने के लिए. सबसे पहले अपने एनवायरनमेंट को ठीक करना, खुद को ठीक करना, खुद के मेंटल पीस की तरफ ध्यान रखना. When you are mindful of things that you are doing and mindful of things that you want, maybe 5 years down the line, maybe 10 years down the line, maybe 15 years down the line, that clarity will give you a lot of calmness and peace in your own life. You'll be rest assured that yes, I do have a plan, maybe not in depth, but I have a basic clarity of things that I want in the future and things that I would love to have in the future. Now, मैं आगे आने मेरे जो वीडियोस होंगे, मैं उसमें लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन पे भी बात करूंगी, बट आई रियली थॉट दैट लॉ ऑफ वाइब्रेशन को समझना बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है. तो अगर मैं समराइज करूँ इस वीडियो को, तो मेरा बस एक छोटा सा मैसेज है दैट लॉ ऑफ वाइब्रेशन इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ योर मैनिफेस्टेशन प्रोसेस. वाइब्रेशन से क्या होता है कि आप मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल दे देती हूँ जो इस बुक में भी दिया हुआ है. सो ऑथर ये बोलता है, वेक्स किंग ये बोलते हैं कि उन्होंने 2 ट्यूनिंग फॉक्स लिए, ठीक है, दोनों को सेम ट्यून पे उन्होंने अलाइन कर दिया, मतलब सेम फ्रीक्वेंसी पे. इवन इफ वन ऑफ इट इज अनटच्ड एंड सेकेंड वाले को हम बस वो कर दे, तो वो दूसरा फोक भी उसी के ट्यून के अकॉर्डिंग वाइब्रेट होने लगता है. बट द मोमेंट दे आर डिफरेंट, दे विल नॉट रेजोनेट इन द सेम फ्रीक्वेंसी. आपको आपके सपनों के साथ अलाइन करना पड़ेगा. एंड अलाइन से मेरा मतलब है आपके थॉट्स, इमोशंस, आपके एक्शंस, सब कुछ उसकी तरफ आपको अलाइन करना पड़ेगा. वेक्स किंग बार बार इस चीज पे स्ट्रेस ला रहा है कि जो आपको अचीव करना है फ्यूचर में, उसके लिए यू विल हैव टू एक्ट अ सर्टेन वे. मैनिफेस्टेशन भी यही बोलता है दैट इफ यू वांट समथिंग फ्रॉम योर लाइफ, you will have to believe that you already have it. Now, I still remember मैंने कुछ चीज़ें definitely manifest की है in my 6th grade when I didn't know this term called as manifestation. I didn't know about law of attraction. I didn't know what subconscious mind is. I didn't know that, okay, if you have a vision of your future in your mind, things will act accordingly. Because मैं बहुत छोटी थी. But by experience, I can tell you, okay, I'm not very aged. मैंने कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा achieve नहीं किया लाइफ में, but I can tell you and reassure you that everything that you say to yourself, you give yourself a pep talk, self-talk, positive self-talk, it will happen. मेरे साथ ये हुआ था that I was a very underconfident kid growing up till 6th grade. I was very quiet. बचपन में बहुत शरारती थी, but जब मेरा 1st to 5th वाला स्टेज था, I was not very confident. So I didn't really participate इतना सारा. But from 6th onwards, I think I have become all that I wanted to. I'm happy with how I am now because I don't think the Nandini who was there in 5th or 6th grade would have been so confident enough to speak in front of a camera. I don't think so. So I just told myself that I want to become so worthy that I can basically communicate with all age groups. I can say whatever is there in my mind with a very free mindset. I manifested that I want to be good in English. I was very bad in English. Of course, 5th standard तक के बच्चे को क्या ही English आती है. But I wanted to have a good English. I wanted a fluent English. I'm not very fluent, but at least I have achieved what I wanted to. I also had one thing in my mind that I want to become a kid who can speak to her teachers with at most, क्या ही बोला, I don't know what word to use over here, but मुझे ऐसा चाहिए था कि मेरी टीचर्स के साथ एक दोस्ती हो, जहाँ पर मैं टीचर से कुछ भी बात बोल सकूँ, कुछ भी शेयर कर सकूँ, and that teachers love me, and they did. मैं ऐसे नहीं बोलूँगी कि मैं एकदम टॉप स्टूडेंट एंड एकदम मस्त एकेडमिक्स में, नहीं, बट मैंने जब मैनिफेस्ट किया 6th स्टैंडर्ड में दैट येस आई वांट टू गेट गुड ग्रेड्स इन माय 6th 7th एंड आई डिड. मेरा एकेडमिक स्लोप उसके बाद काफ़ी बढ़ा. ऑफकोर्स 11th 12th में बहुत नीचे भी गिरा, बट दैट हैड सर्टेन क्या बोलते हैं, उस टाइम पे मेरी वाइब्रेशंस लो हो गई थी आई गेस. सो डेफिनेटली ये बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पैक्टफुल है. आई वुड जस्ट से कि इसको हल्के में मत लो. जो भी आप चाहते हो लाइफ से, खुद को रोज़ बोलो और खुद रोज़ ऐसे एक्ट करो जैसे वो चीज़ हो चुकी है. मैं रोज़ आईने के सामने प्रैक्टिस करती थी. आई यूज टू स्पीक टू माई सेल्फ सो मच इन इंग्लिश दैट नाउ व्हेन आई स्पीक टू समबडी एल्स आई डोंट फील एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ हेजिटेशन. सो यू जस्ट हैव टू एक्ट. यू नो, आपने वो कोट भी सुना होगा, वो प्रोवर्ब सुना होगा, fake it till you make it. So you will have to fake as if you are giving a TED talk, or fake it as if you are already there in that destination that you wanted to reach. You will have to act as if you are already that wonderful, amazing, excellent, brilliant person that you wanted to become. So you will have to say this to yourself. You will have to act accordingly. And वो चीज़ हो जाएगी. I hope मैंने अभी in recent years में जो भी manifest किया वो मुझे future में definitely मिले. बट आई थिंक इस मैनिफेस्टेशन के प्रोसेस में हमारी वाइब्रेशंस को राइट रखना प्लस हमारे एक्शंस को उसमें, मतलब एक्शंस पुट करना, आई मीन हार्ड वर्क करना, there's a huge role into the law of attraction. So I hope you liked today's video and you use some of the things that I said. You know, rectify your vibrations and get that good vibes and you will have a good life as well. So hats off to Vex King. He wrote a wonderful book, and I'm going to share a lot of those segments also that I read, and you will be seeing a lot of new content as well from this book. And stay tuned for those videos. Tab tak ke liye, take care and bye bye. Do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like the video. Chala, bye bye.